everyone, this is Allison Price with The Infused Life, and I'm here again today to share with you a quick, simple, easy recipe that you can make yourself to continue to detoxify your lifestyle. But before we get into it, I want to encourage you to click on the show notes below and opt in for my three toxins to ditch today. I have simple tips for you to get rid of 3 toxic things that are probably in your home right now that you probably use daily and are slathering all over yourself. So let's get rid of those and continue to work on detoxifying your lifestyle. So today I want to show you a super simple way that you can make a bug bite relief stick for you, for your kids, for your littles, for the elderly, anybody that's dealing with the annoyance of a mosquito bite, a bug bite that just won't stop itching. Hey, sometimes it happens. Even when we're conscious about using our natural bug repellents, it's gonna happen at some point. So let me show you an easy way to make a bug bite relief roller stick. Now, I am a big fan of repurposing. So this is an essential oil roller ball that is empty. And the oil that was in it is one of the oils that I'm going to add to my DIY mix. So it makes perfect sense. All you need to do is pop the roller off. Sometimes, depending on your fingernails, you can easily pop it off yourself. Or if you can't, just take a butter knife and slide it between the bottle and the roller and it will pop off for you. So if you have Purify the Cleansing Blend, that's all you need. This is amazing for rolling onto your skin topically to get some relief from bug bite itch. So you can take it directly out of its own bottle and dab it wherever you have the itch, or you can add it to a roller ball and top it off with some fractionated coconut oil and then have it for easy application to roll on when you need it. Now, if you're like me and you have little kids around, this is going to be more kid-friendly, easier to use instead of watching them dump the whole bottle on themselves. So this is a 10 ml roller. In a 10 ml roller for bug bite relief, I'm going to do about 15 to 20 drops of essential oil and then top it off with my carrier oil. And for my carrier oil, I like to use fractionated coconut oil because it absorbs nicely into the skin and it also has its own host of health benefits. So if I'm just going to use the Purify 15 to 20 drops, top it off with the coconut oil, or if you don't have the Purify blend, you can use an even mixture of lavender, melaleuca, which is tea tree oil, and peppermint essential oil. So since I'm shooting for about 15 to 20 drops, honestly, I'm just going to go ahead and do about 8 to 10 drops of each. So there's that one. And I'm going to take my tea tree. And tea tree is nice too because it's really great if you, especially if you have a little that's itching their skin and they're just like really going at it and you're worried about that becoming infected because they keep breaking the skin, tea tree is going to help with that. And lavender is really great for restoring the skin, soothing and restoring your skin. So once you get that, your essential oils added, you're going to top it off with the coconut oil. Then you're just going to snap your roller ball back into place, give it a shake, and you're good to go. Simple as that, and it will take out the itch. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to go down below in the show notes, opt in for my three toxins to ditch today. Get them out of your home so you can start living a more natural lifestyle. Let's detoxify what you've got going on in the home that you don't need to be imposing on yourself. Remember, your skin will absorb up to 60% of what you put on it, and your kids likely can absorb up to 100%. So let's be conscious about what we're slathering ourselves in. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.